So this one will be a very typical question that you will see in degree mode or radian mode. So they will always have this kind of cross section, and in actual fact, you will see a trapezium. And usually the challenge will be getting the angle. So if you do not add the correct line, you actually cannot get the angle. Okay, so how do you get the angle PAB? So first of all, right, okay, maybe I enlarge the diagram. So we are trying to get this angle. If you cannot find the correct right angle triangle, that angle, you couldn't perform the correct trigo. So the correct one is to add a line here. Add a horizontal line. You compare, right? This part will be a 4. I take the difference of the two vertical height. How do I get 4? It's like 14 minus 4. And the next one, right, is to realize that this is a radius of 14. This is a radius of 10. So you got to realize that that is the radius. So I'm going to add them up. And then this part will be the one that I perform my bidigress, not bidigress. I can perform bidigress or I can perform my trigo. So if you look, so this part is 24. So if I do my trigo, okay, so I can let the angle be theta. So that is the theta that I'm supposed to show. So you do your normal trigo. So if you do your normal trigo, that will fall under cosine. And then you do your normal inverse. So you do your normal inverse, you should get the 80.4. So that's the challenging part. If you don't cut the correct line, the correct horizontal line, you find that you cannot perform trigo. So which also means that in this question, I can also perform my bidigress theorem because I got a right angle triangle if I need to. Okay, so then I'm supposed to find the area of the shaded region. So you are supposed to see that the shaded region is based on the trapezium subtracting a pizza. So I need to subtract a pizza APR. So this is the one that makes use of the 80.4. Then I still got a smaller one that I need to subtract. The smaller one is this one. The smaller one is this one, is RBQ. So the problem with the small one is you do not have the angle. So well, you got to find out this angle first. You got to find out this angle. And then you add a 90 degree. So I'm not so sure whether you can see the 90 degree. So maybe I enlarge for you. So you got to find the tiny angle. So the tiny angle is the 9.6. And then you got a 90 degree here. So the angle will be 90 plus 9.6. So this is the one that you will need to find this pizza. And if you would like the trapezium, it is the sum of the parallel height, but then you don't have the, sum of the parallel length. You don't have this part. So this part can be found by Pythagoras theorem. So that is the part that is a bit difficult. This question will be translated in radian mode. So get the idea in degree mode first. In radian mode, you got one more layer of thinking. So give it a try to see whether you can get the answer, 59.5.